When it comes to your SwipedOn iPad home screen, looks matter. Your home screen is essentially the first touch point that connects visitors to your brand when they visit your office. When it comes to customizing your iPad, be sure to utilize your company's brand style guide to ensure brand consistency. Your style guide enables you to reference the colors and imagery that encompass your brand. Avoid uploading an image where the main subject or object is positioned at the bottom of the screen. Use simple, bold images with little detail like patterns to get the best result. Be consistent. Don't use a mix of light and dark images. Stick to one or the other. When selecting a color for the visitor in button of your iPad, pick a color that contrasts well with the text color you choose. The preset text color for the iPad buttons includes black, gray, or white. The button color you choose will be made slightly transparent so the background behind it shows through. If you're using employee in and out, ensure that all of your screensavers are similarly light or dark in the top right corner. This will make the employee button more prominent. Pro tip, we recommend using darker colored buttons with all text set to white. Contrast is key. Contrast is a crucial element you need to consider when uploading background images and picking an accent color. A good rule of thumb is if you have a dark colored background, you should use a light font, and vice versa. You can change the accent color to match your corporate colors. This will change the banner and button colors found inside the iPad app. Make sure you pick an accent color that will contrast well with the text color you choose. It has to look good, but it also needs to be legible for your employees and visitors. If you've chosen to have your company logo displayed, it will automatically be positioned in the center of the screen. Consider contrast with your screensavers. A single colored logo may be best if your screensavers are photos. For the best results, use high-quality, transparent PNG images. Ask your marketing team for the highest quality image that fits into our 2 MB restriction. If you're really wanting to impress your guests, take advantage of SwipedOn's rolling screensavers to create fun animations. At the end of the day, customizing your iPad is all about exploration and experimentation. If you require a little more assistance, we're here to help. Check out our branding and design help doc for more information, or simply reach out via the live chat bubble in the bottom right of your screen.